for a grand celebration, and it is our distinct pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time the reason anong naata diri kumantanan. Okay? So today will be the most magical day in his 21 years of existence. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us all rise. Panindog ang tanan, ihang yun ako, na manindog ang tanan, and put our hands together as we welcome the main highlight of this celebration. And as he steps into a higher level of life, ladies and gentlemen, our man of today, our charming debutant, Mr. Tristan J. Padilla! Yay! Palakpakan na to! Alin na, ting! Music na payungan. Yay! Ako palakpakan na to, debutant naman! Palakpakan na yung mga kamot. Ayan. Ayan. So now, so kuman kay alas 12 naman, ako ihang yung tanan na mga takitanan birthday song. Okay? For our debutant. Okay, so sino mag-lead ng kanta? Ako na kan ba dyan? Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, ato kantahan ang ato birthday celebrant. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Once again, happy birthday.